A virus infected one of your ancestors 25 million years ago. That infection is the reason you were born, not a metaphor. A gene from that virus is running inside your body right now. Let's start with your DNA. Your genome has about 20,000 genes. The instructions for your bones, your blood, your brain, all of that fits in roughly 2% of your DNA. Now here's the strange part. 8% of your DNA is virus, 4 times more viral code than human instructions. Scientists have counted around 100,000 pieces of old virus buried in the human genome. They are not infections, they are fossils. Every one of them is a record of a virus that got in and never left. So how does a virus become part of you? Most viruses attack a cell, copy themselves, and burst out. Retroviruses do something colder. A retrovirus writes itself into your DNA. It pastes its own code into your chromosome. Now the cell is a factory that builds the virus forever. Usually that only affects one person. When they die, the virus dies with them. But sometimes the virus infects the wrong cell, a sperm cell, an egg cell. Now the virus is not in a person, it is in the blueprint. That baby is born with the virus written into every single cell. And so is their child. And their child. 25 million years later, it reaches you. Most of those fossils are broken. Mutations chewed them into junk, but a few of them still work. And evolution does not waste working machinery. Meet the most important virus in your family history. It is called syncytin. It came from a retrovirus. To understand what it does, look at how a mammal is built. A baby in the womb needs food and oxygen from its mother's blood, but it cannot simply plug into her bloodstream. Her immune system would attack it as an invader. So the placenta builds a wall, a layer where cells melt together into one continuous sheet with no gaps. Nutrients cross, immune cells do not. Making that wall requires fusing cells into a single sheet. Guess what retroviruses are extremely good at? Fusing membranes together. It is how they get inside a cell in the first place. Our ancestors did not invent that tool. They captured it. The gene that fuses your placenta together is a virus gene. Scientists tested this in mice. They switched off the mouse version of syncytin. The placenta failed to form. The embryos died. No virus gene, no placenta, no live birth. And this happened more than once. Mice and cats, dogs, cows, humans. Different branches of the mammal family captured different viruses. Each one turned the same weapon into the same organ separately. The tool that let viruses invade our cells became the tool that lets us grow inside our mothers. Now for the part nobody expects. Some of those viruses are not fully dead. There is a family called HERV-K. It is the youngest one in your genome. Some copies are almost intact, not fossils, sleeping. And in the first days of a human embryo, they wake up. Days after fertilization, those ancient viral genes switch on and start making viral proteins. Every human being begins as a cluster of cells humming with virus. Some scientists think that is not an accident. The viral proteins may block other viruses from infecting the embryo. An old enemy standing guard at the door. They also wake up when things go wrong, in some cancers, in some autoimmune disease, in some cases of ALS. The same code that helps build you can also switch on and hurt you. So here's where this leaves you. You are not a human with some virus contamination. You are a hybrid. 8% of your instructions were written by things that invaded your ancestors. The oldest ones lost. They got trapped in the blueprint and slowly turned to stone. One of them won something better. It became essential. Every mammal alive, every baby ever carried, exists because a virus taught our cells how to fuse. The war is over. You are what the invaders left behind.